I'm Narmeen Hamadeh. I'm Palestinian, born and raised in Saudi Arabia. I'm an interior architect as a profession and digital artist as a side job. So my main inspiration is my background. My grandmother, my grandfather, we've been raised over listening to their stories about Palestine, about the trees, and about really simple things that we lack nowadays. Every time I imagined the stories my grandfather tell me about Palestine, I imagine a lot of colors and a lot of light and contrast that gives me joy, although I never been to Palestine. And I always try to combine what I know about Palestine with my culture here in Saudi Arabia, because I'm born and raised here, so the part of me which is Saudi in my upbringing, and I try to combine all this together. So I always say that my artwork is emotional-generative artwork. So it's all about what I feel, what intrigued me. I started collecting elements to tell the story, and I started working with these elements, and at the end, because I have the background of an interior architect, so it's all about composition and how to tell the story, and it's a customer journey, but in that case, it's the audience journey in my stories. So I'm very thankful for the Biennale Design Store because it is a step in discovering how much you want to be involved in the art, and if you want to take it further, a store like the Biennale Store, it's opening up a lot of opportunities and shedding light on smaller artists and people that deserve to be seen.